Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So this is what we're gonna do. This radio don't work on a Nissan Versa. You know how the Versa and the Sentra radio, that's like this, the display always going out. But today we're gonna change the radio, but not only change the radio, we're gonna upgrade the radio. So I got this one from a Nissan Sentra. Let's see if it will work. It should work. But the newer one that just have one knob right here with a bigger screen, that won't work. So don't even go ahead and try that. The plugs in the back is different, but this plug is same as this one right here. So this one gonna work, guys, I'm sure of that. So let's go ahead and upgrade this radio so we can get a new radio in this. And also please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. So first thing first, we're gonna need our flathead screwdriver or a clip puller, whichever one you have, that will work. So most of you guys won't have a clip puller, you will have a flathead screwdriver. Just try to find a corner like right here. As you can see what I do there, I just find the corner down there, like there's a little opening right here. Well, not really opening, but try to get the tool between there and put it in and twist it. Give it a twist in motion and it will lift up everything just like that. So come on the other side, same little trick, get both sides, and then you want to pry it and take this up. So just turn it around, you don't even have to take it out. I forget, let me get a thumbnail. So you don't have to take it out, guys, you just have to turn it up. You don't have to unplug anything. Next, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. You're gonna have 4 screws, one right here, 2 over on this side, I should say, and 2 on the other side over here. So that we're gonna need 4 screws. We're gonna need to remove these 4 screws. I'm gonna cut and come back once the screws are out because I don't want to bore you guys with this. So once you remove your 4 screws, 2 over there, 2 over there, you can hold the radio, pull it straight out, get this back out the way, and then on these clips, let me see, not really seeing them, but once you do, you will see it. Squeeze this right in right here, unplug that right there. So this is what the clip look like, guys, and you just gotta squeeze this right here to unplug it. This black clip, squeeze that right there, unplug that, squeeze this right there, unplug that. This gray one is gonna be on the side, so we gotta squeeze it on the side and unplug that. So now we have the radio out. We're gonna get this radio and take off this right here. Take off them on both sides because the mounting bracket is different, and it seems to be a Phillips, not a Phillips, it seems to be a torque bit. So I'm gonna get the torque bit and come back. All right, guys, so it's gonna be a T20 torque. We need to remove this on this side. So it's just for it's for these screws right here, and the brackets say right, and with a R, it said R with a arrow up, so it show you which side to be up and which side is supposed to go on. So this is on the right side, guys, and you want to do the same thing for the other side. And also you want to do the same thing for the other radio. So let's go ahead and upgrade that also. So guys, you want to make sure you set the radio as how you're gonna put it in, and get the one for get the one that you take off your car, It's even say it right here, R. If you look for it on the radio, you will see it. And this one say R and up. So, and it even have some studs right here that's lined up with here. So it's kind of hard for you guys to really mess up on it. Once you line that up, you can catch all four. So just line it up, guys, catch all four, and you want to do the same thing for the other side. I guess when you catch one side, it won't be, you can't mix up the other side. So make sure it's the same thing. You have two studs right here, two studs right there. They only can line up where they're supposed to go, and make sure you have it right. See, if I set it wrong, the screws won't line up, but if you set it the right way, then the screw holes line up. So once that's done, just want to catch these. And tighten them up. So guys, this is the back of the radio. This is the one we're going to put in the car. This is the one we take from the car. I noticed this one have an extra plug, but it's still gonna work. So that's that, and the plugs are on opposite side. Let me put the radio. So the plugs are on the opposite side, but the cord still will reach it and plugged in, so you don't have to worry about that. Just go ahead and plug everything in. Get this side, plug that one in, plug that in, and we're gonna plug this in, and then plug one more part in. So once we plug this one in, what you can do is test the radio. Make sure you have all the cords and all the cords are plugged in the radio. Then you can push this in. And then we can test the radio. Make sure the radio works. So where's the key? So as you see, that's a good sign that the radio is working. And go ahead and, as you can see, go in setting. We're gonna go adjust the clock, and the time is 9:55. So I'm gonna put 9:56 in case the time change. And it's AM. So that's it. We also have Bluetooth. If you want to set up your Bluetooth, you can go ahead and add your phone right there. And that's with that. So next step we're gonna do is find a radio station, make sure the radio works.
Words and less, tell us why you are.
So the radio work, guys. Turn it down, don't want no copyright. So, and even though even the buttons on the control work. So you can see source. Voice command don't work, or end call button, so I don't know. or maybe because I don't have a phone set up, but it should ask for a phone or something. So yeah guys, you can upgrade your radio just like that if you want. So once you catch your screws on both sides, just go ahead, put this back in. So put it from the top first. So once the top go in, everything line up, everything seated properly, and as you guys can see, I got a fully working radio now with Bluetooth. I don't know if this one had Bluetooth. So yeah guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.